Action.
Good morning, all you great ones out there. Today is a bit of a different day. First off, I am riding. We are carpooling all together in the same Jeep. I do not have my Jeep. We're going to be going off-roading, but not really off-roading.
If that makes any sense.
Good morning, everybody. So as you may or may not know, and if you didn't know, you do now, Okie Jeep Jam 2022 is rapidly approaching, and this year, to do things bigger and better, RockSolidRig is going to be hosting all of the off-site trail rides out here at Gruber ORV, where there will be, say what? Oh yeah, that's big news, right? Yes, RockSolidRig is sponsoring all of the trail rides this year off-site at Gruber ORV for the Okie Jeep Jam. So in preparation for all of that, we just made a little trip up here to the park today. We're going to be doing some mapping for the trails and stuff like that. There's going to be beginners trails, intermediate trails, advanced trails, and those are going to be by sign up only, guys. So if you want to be involved in that, you better get on it because positions are filling up fast.
Very fast.
Very fast. So anyway, that's all today is about. That's why I say we're off-roading, but we're really not. It's literally more of a scouting mission to see what the trails are going to be done and all that stuff like that. Anyway, it's all on the website. Go check it out, Okie Jeep Jam. You'll see all the different trails. There's different trail times. There will be multiple rides for each level of trail. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I believe, Josh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Beginner, intermediate, expert. So go check it out. But anyway, we're just gonna out here. We're gonna map a few trails. We're gonna check out some different stuff and see if we can make it bigger and better than last year. So we're out here with Adam, who is the president of Gruber ORV. That's Adam right over here. And like I say, we're mapping out the trails, and we're actually going to run one of the expert advanced trails right here. And of course, we're using Josh as the guinea pig, just to kind of try to feel the best route out to give people a good challenge. But you know, we don't want to tear anybody's stuff up, obviously, even on the expert advanced rigs. So you know, we figure if we can make it really hard on our Jeeps that we run, then the guys that are really stacked on their, you know, huge axles and huge tires and built rigs, you know, they'll still have a lot of fun out here with tearing out their stuff up. So anyway, Adam up there, he's gonna walk Josh through it and see what kind of challenges we can make it through ourselves. And so this is just part of the whole, you know, mapping it out. You know, we just have to figure out what the best route is. So, you know, next time we come in, we'll be prepared. Try a little different approach here. Again, it's all about figuring out what's best.
Slowly.
Now bring him back. Yeah. And then take him that way. I think you're going to be okay though, Josh, because you're coming up now. Yeah, just like that. So I know on camera again, man, I know it doesn't look like it, but that we're down there where the tire is, that's way down there. So we had to get it where we could crawl up on these two rocks here instead of getting hung up in the center of them. Oh, there you go. That's a perspective. See, I'm telling you on camera, it doesn't look like it, but you saw when Adam just jumped down off of this rock. I mean, it's a couple of foot down there easily.
Down in there, so it's a good 3 feet tall. Cause I'm only 5 something.
Yeah. So for trail riding purposes, when we come in, we know we want to put a tire right here. Get the other tire over there. It's going to be real close to the drive shaft right here, but we should be able to keep it just enough this way so when the tire climbs up, it'll clear the drive shafts and not hurt anything. All right, so that's going to be kind of the first obstacle for the advanced trail. Now what we did is we popped back out of the woods here on the power line here, and this is actually the same trail that we took for the intermediate line that we're going to run. But instead of going up the hill, we're going to make a right turn, Clyde. Intermediate up the hill, the beginning of Hacksaw Ridge for the advanced line. You can probably do it in 4 high, backwards Corey style.
No, that's right.
We always like those trails that start out deceiving, where you're like, oh, this ain't so bad, and then, bam, just like that. Y'all want perspective? I'm standing on the rock we're fixing to go up, and Josh is way down there. It's a little higher than it looks. There are some monstrous holes, like down in there, right down there again. It's just perspective. Cameras just cannot do it.
All you have to do is just hold it.
I'm a dual camera guy now. See, a camera with a camera. So there you go. I mean, perspective just screws you all up until you roll up to it and your Jeep disappears.
I'm 5'2". I'm not that tall, but
Any flyers, any type of banners or stuff that I put on our page, she's done them. Me? Nah.
Maybe not today. And welcome to Lock and Load. Jurassic Park style, we may need a bigger Jeep. Not really. coming down hard over here. Well, no, you rode that bridge right on the V line. Wow. I'm telling you, that's a professional for you right there, man. I'm telling you what, buddy. The only place you could have put a tire not to fall off the ledge,
I did.
he Jedi mastered it.
And then I got the back stuff.
And then he just got us. And if you're looking for a little bit more excitement, you turn right.
Go steady your driver's side.
This way. Yeah, it's a little bit more, and then he should be able to go back. Yeah. That's what we like them close, y'all. Yes, sir. The big slab rock we were on the left, on the driver's tire last time, you moved it forward about 5 feet. We like to remake trails here. You know, I don't know if y'all remember from the past too, that same tree right there, last year, 2021 Okie Jeep Jam, there was a brand new JL out here and the guy ripped both taillights off. It's okay. Nah, it's good. Yeah. It's just a scratch. Robert, I'm going to pass on a message to you.
We need fiberglass work. I heard you're the best.
Yeah, something else becomes the fuse. Yeah. Yep.
So that's it. Like I say, it literally was a quick trip. We just came strictly to map the 3 trails out for the Okie Jeep Jam 2022 event. And that's it for Gruber for us today. We're going to go ahead and get the Jeep loaded back up. And a little known, I mean, if y'all don't know, Gruber is a really cool place to ride. It is a donation only park. They technically do not charge for you to come out here and ride. So you just come in, there's a donation box right here by the tree, make you a donation to the park. That's all they ask. Go out and have a lot of fun. Adam is the president, and he's been telling us about all the plans they have out here, and they are been approved. He is starting to get working on it. All of this over here is going to be turned into a camping area for RVs. They'll have 50 amp site, a 30 amp site. Well, let me see. I think he said they're going to have a 50 amp site, like 3 or 4 30 amp sites, a couple of 20s. They're going to build some 20s sites for camps, and side by sides coming through. Some motorcycles. Like I say, there's a little bit of everything out here for everybody. But that's it. Anyways, look for the future. There's going to be a lot of improvements coming to Gruber here, Gruber ORV, outside of Muskogee, Oklahoma. You can look it up online, check them all out. And hey, like I say, we'd love to see you at the Okie Jeep Jam 2022. All the information is online for that. Come on out, hang out, get registered for some trail rides. You can come out here with us. Again, all trail rides are going to be sponsored by RockSolidRig. That is it for now. Hey, if you wouldn't mind, it is entirely up to you. Would you please hit the subscribe button though? Come along with the ride with us. It's going to be a great time. There's a lot of stuff coming still. And don't forget, we still have a long, long way to go.